Hi everyone, today I'm here with Pierre Bélanger, social intervention considered at LaSalle College, to talk about another phase of the stress management. Hi Pierre.
Hello, Nicola. Nice being here again.
When a stressful situation happens, it's really important to take the time to adjust, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. I mean, we cannot adjust when we're facing a very stressful situation, a new situation. We cannot go and thinking that we're going to adjust quickly and regain that balance. It takes time to do that.
How long can it take to find a new balance?
Well, that's a very good question, Nicola. And, unfortunately, I have no clear answer to this. The reason is each of us requires a different amount of time in order to find that new balance. It all depends on each of us, each of our own experience and all the resources we have within ourselves or also outside of ourselves. So it really depends. And it's not something we'll do in a day or two. So that's why I say it needs time to adjust. So we cannot compare ourselves to others. But most importantly, the way we look at adjusting to the situation is very important. What I mean is we cannot think that we'll be performing as we're used to do, at school and at work, performance. We cannot look at regaining balance within that performance mindset.
But there are many factors to promote success. Can you tell us a few of them?
Yes, sure. Actually, I'll give you the three next capsules or video we'll do. It's a new routine, setting a new routine, very important. Also getting support from people. And the last one is choosing the outlook. The way we see the whole situation will change greatly on how we will adapt to that new reality and regaining balance.
Thank you, Pierre.
My pleasure. See you next time.